Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified when my new videos are out.
Bad gal step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a common dumpling.
So, I know my hair isn't on top today, obviously. I'm doing this video this way because I don't think we should be worrying about how our hairs look in times like these. And honestly, I don't really think I look now here because I walk up and down in my house. If I don't have nothing to do, I not go comb my head. Well, to be honest, I used to, but now that can't stay. As long as I not go up on the road, everything alright. But when I get the drift, when I get what I say, everybody I talk about how them want them ear for look good and them want this and them want that. Baby love, you can't go up on the road in a dim time here. Where you worry about how good your head look after you not go up on the road? You see everybody in isolation. So right now, may I represent the Dryad crew. May I embrace all of the Dryad them in another video here. The Dryad them when not even comb can pass through them head. The Dryad them where if your pot black and you know the scour, your ear can get the job done. So I was watching this video and I've decided to share it with you guys because of how serious things are getting right now, and we are here worrying about our hairs, how we are gonna look in them time here when we actually are gonna in our yard. Some people are gonna work from them yard, so I don't really think we don't have nothing to worry about. Anyways, watch the video and I'll come back.
Servono, cioè, ma l'avete capito che utavutu chiudono? L'avete capito che chi cazzo ti dava te per sti capelli aggiustati in utavuto?
Now, I know that seems extreme, but he is right. If your hair is bad, don't panic. Just let it be bad for a while. Yes, people may see it, and yes, it'll be embarrassing, but you will get through it. Trust me. Trust me. Hey, listen. Trust me.
Now, I know how bad women feel when their hair isn't all that pretty or them hair no look all that good. But on the other hand, just the other day or the other week, I've made a video on how you can do your hair, yet you're not have to be relaxed, baby. No, it don't. Yeah, as I was saying, I've made a video on how you can do your hair without really damaging it, and I think it fall in this category also where you're not really gonna wait but you still want your ear to look good. I think you can do that, or you can just rock your ear like me. You can just rock your ear like me. And everybody's supposed to have at least somebody in them yard who can cane off head. I don't think that hard to do. I don't know why. I just don't think it's that hard to do. Or if you alone live and you can't cane your ear, you can start practice from now. You get what I say? Start practice man your own hair. And honestly guys, I don't feel bad doing this video. As I said before, I normally in my house and my head always dry. Not really say always, but you're not gonna why waste everything when you buy so when you go somewhere. As I said before, I used to do it every day. So now nobody come to me when know me long time, but no, I stop. And I only do videos like this for my viewers. But I just want to know for cool down, cause I don't really see worrying about your ear, how it gonna help you, how it gonna help the situation we are in right now, the pandemic. I don't see how it's helping. So, me have something for you right now. Now, for the girls them, we are trying to impress them, man. I know how you'd feel, you know, for one you want to feel good about you, but you have to know you're in the good and bad times. Make him know, say, it's not all good, sometimes bad. Alright, and listen to this. Your man did want you when you're hot, but now him have to want you when you're not. Look pan him, tell him exactly that. Tell him pan your head you're not put no hot. Yeah, tell him that. Your man did want you when you're hot, but now him have to want you when you're not. Look pan him, repeat exactly that. Tell him pan your head you're not put no hot. Yeah, baby, I say I have to deal with them. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Belle. Thank you for watching. I'm out.